हेलो दोस्तों, आप लोगों का स्वागत है हमारे चैनल टेक्लॉर्स पे। आज हम लोग बात करेंगे कंपनी लॉज के बारे में। आज का जो क्वेश्चन है, लाइक एनी juristic person, a company is a legal entity apart from its member and capable of rights and duties of its own. elucidate this statement. हम लोग इसके बारे में आज बात करते हैं। तो कंपनी एज अ लीगल पर्सन और एज अ लीगल एंटिटी, the concept of a company as a juristic person, also known as a legal person or legal entity, is a fundamental principle in corporate law. It's mean that company is treated as a distinct entity separate from its individual members, the shareholder or owners. This principle has several key implications. These company key implications are separate legal existence, limited liability, right and duties, and perpetual existence, capacity to sue and to be sued, property ownership, and contractual obligations. All these are, we are talking about it one by one. Separate legal existence. A company is once incorporated is recognized as having its own separate legal existence. It can enter into the contract, own property, sue and to be sued, and engage in various legal activities in its own name. It is distinct from the individual who own or manage the company. Limited liabilities. The second thing is the limited liabilities. One of the primary advantage of forming a company, especially a corporation, is the concept of limited liability. Shareholder and generally not person liable for the company's debt and legal obligation. The company itself is responsible for its own debts, which help protect the person assets of its member. Right and duties. Okay, just like a natural person, a company has a certain legal rights and duties. These include the right to enter into the contract, buy and sell assets, hire employees, and engage in business activities. It also has legal obligations such as paying taxes, complying with regulations, and fulfilling contractual commitment. Perpetual existence. A company's existence is not tied to the life of individual member. It can be continued to exist even if its original shareholders sell their share to pass away. This perpetual existence allows for long-term planning and establishing in business operation. Capacity to sue and to be sued. A company can take legal action, sue, or be subject to legal action to be sued in its own name. Its own name. It is important for resolving disputes and seek remedies in the legal system. Property ownership. A company can own assets such as real estate, intellectual property, and financial instrument in its own name. This means that if someone wants to take legal action related to the company assets, they typically do so against the company, not its individual member. Contractual obligations. Contractual obligations means the contracts entered into by companies are typically binding on the companies itself or on not on its individual shareholder. If a company breach a contract, it may be liable for damages, but the personal assets of the shareholder are generally not at risk. Summary. In summary, we can say the concept of companies are juristic person is a foundational principle in business law that provide a legal framework for businesses to operate separately from their owners. It grants companies certain legal rights and responsibility, protect the personal assets of the shareholder through limited liabilities, and ensure the continuity of the businesses beyond the lives of its individual member. The separation between the company and its member is crucial for the functioning of modern business entities. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.